Hi, Susan. I have a stiff neck, that's why I'm all wonky.
Owen's gonna open his birthday present.
Kinda. We're gonna help him.
Open it.
We're amateur videographers.
There you go.
I know the chateau is for like small sized people, but seriously? Open.
That. Too much clothes, really. Oh, those are cute.
Oh.
Come back, buddy. Owen. Uh-oh.
Amateur videographers, remember?
Here, Owen. We're ready.
Hey, bud. Oh.
Good job, Owen. What is it? Aquarium. Neat.
You want a cat?
Owen, will you say hi? Say thank you, Auntie Sue, for the present. Say thank you. Owen, you say bye? Owen. Owen. Say bye-bye. Daddy do on his own.
Owen, say bye.
Owen, say bye-bye.
Say bye, Owen.
Owen.
Say bye.
Owen.
No, there's no one leaving, but the camera's leaving. Oh. Anyway.
See you later, buddy.
See you at Christmas, Susan. Bye.
Say bye, Owen.
Thanks, Susan. Thanks.